Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Want to check if your phone is running smoothly at 60, 90 or even 120 Hz? Here's how to show the refresh rate right on your screen. First, open your phone's settings, scroll down and find this option called About Phone. Now find this option called Software Information and tap on it. Look for build number and tap it 7 times to enable developer options. You may need to enter your PIN or password. In my case, I already have my developer options enabled. So once you enable it, you just need to go back to settings. And here at the bottom, you will find developer options. Tap on it and scroll until you find show refresh rate. Let me use the search icon at the top right to search it. Refresh rate. Okay, so here it is. Simply turn on the toggle. Now you will see the refresh rate like 60, 90 or 120 Hz display in the corner of your screen. And that's it. You can now monitor your screen's refresh rate anytime. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.